One is the terminating type and another is the non-terminating, opposite of it. But children, this non-terminating is always recurring type. Now I will give the example to explain it. Children, as you know, just now I did 5 upon 2. The answer came out to be 2.5. Correct? But if I will do, for example, 10 divided by 3. What will be the answer? 3.333333. Am I correct? So what is the difference? What is the difference? यहाँ पे 5 को 2 से मैं डिवाइड करती हूँ तो 2 2s are 4, 1 कैरी, 0 लाती हूँ मैं, डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाती हूँ यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. ओके, यहाँ पे 1 आया रिमाइंडर ना, फिर डेसिमल पॉइंट करके 0. 5 सेम एज 5.0. सो टू गेट द डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस वी हैव टू गो ऑन पुटिंग डेसिमल के बाद में 0 zeros and 2 5s are 10. अभी कुछ नहीं बचा, 0 0 फाइनल. So this becomes the answer. But if it is 10 divided by 3, so 3 3s are 9. You have left with 1. Now if you want to continue that, then you have to put a decimal here, and then go on putting zeros. Again 3 3s are 9. 1 remain, again 1 more 0. 3 3s are 9. So what will happen when it will come to an end? When it will come to an end, children? Never. Right? Never it will come to an end. So we have any decimal point. Decimal fractions are there. Any rational numbers can be either terminating or it is not. End आता है या तो end नहीं आता. अगर end नहीं आता ना children, then what you have, some number or a group of numbers is getting repeated. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? 3 3 3, one single digit 3 3 is repeating. Sometimes so happens is that you can get the answer as 1.513, 513, 513. So what is happening? 513. This group is getting repeated. So we write down as 5 on recurring 513. How to read it? 1 point recurring 513. Once again, let us read 1 point recurring. This is bar sign is called recurring. So 1 point recurring 513. So this is how we write down. Okay, and we should know to express the given number to the decimal point and the decimal point to the given fraction. Fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction करना आना चाहिए. So that is what we are going to learn. Now I will share one trick to you. I don't know whether you know it or not, don't know it, but I will tell you. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि इसका जो आंसर है, मेरे को इतना सॉल्व हर बार मैं थोड़ी सॉल्व करती रहूँगी. सॉल्व करे बिना कैन आई बाय लुकिंग एट द यू कैन से नंबर, कैन आई से 17/125 है तो ये टर्मिनेटिंग आएगा कि रिकरिंग आएगा? What type of it will be? How can I by observation or by simple some tricks can I say that? Children, I am going to share that trick with you. Children, if see आपको क्या करना है, 17 को किससे डिवाइड करना है? 125 से. Correct? So 125 which is the divisor. Now if you are this divisor, you factorize it. Say 125 को you factorize it. Divide by 5, 25, divide by 5, 5, divide by 5, 1. So you have factorized. And if you get all the factors as 2 or 4, 5 only, then you will get the answer as a terminating. अभी आप घर पे चेक कर सकते हो, 17 को 125 से डिवाइड करो, चेक करो, आपका आंसर एंड होगा. The division will come to an end. So how what to do it? जो भी डिनोमिनेटर है that factorization I have to do and it contains factors only 2 or 5. उसके सिवा कोई नहीं. See here तो I don't even have 2 also. I have just 5. So definitely it will be terminating type. Okay. So if the factors is 2 and 5, then it will be terminating type. Otherwise it won't be. So let's just show you one more example. Now you tell me 11 by 6. Come on. What I should do? 6 के फैक्टर करो. ओरली कर सकते हो. 6 divide by 2, 3.
Miss, it's non-terminating.
So now the prime factors which I got, it is 2 and 3. But what is the condition? It has to be 2 or 5. और कोई भी नहीं. यहाँ पे 3 आ गया ना. Not accepted. So this will be recurring type. ये आप सॉल्व करोगे ना तो उसका रिकरिंग आंसर आएगा. सी बाय जस्ट डूइंग इट आई एम एबल टू से वेदर इट विल बी टर्मिनेटिंग ऑन रिकरिंग. ओके, योर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2.1 practice at 2.1. First question is about that only. So there are two methods. Either you use this argument or you actually solve it and do it. So whichever way you are comfortable, you can do it. Okay. So normal division method, so I think you are knowing. I am giving you this method.